In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube Music onto a USB. More accurately, we will get you set up for offline listening with YouTube Music, then explain how that relates to a USB drive. First, open YouTube Music. On a phone or tablet, tap the YouTube Music app icon on your home screen or app drawer. On a computer, open your browser and go to music.youtube.com. You should see the main YouTube Music homepage with sections like Home, Explore, and Library along the top or bottom. Next, sign in with your premium account. Look for the profile icon in the top right corner on desktop or in the top corner on mobile and tap or click it. Choose Sign In, then pick the Google account that has YouTube Music Premium. Once you are signed in, the profile icon will show your account picture, and you will not see prompts to join Premium. A quick way to confirm is to tap your profile and check that it mentions Premium under your name. Now that you are signed in, find the song, album, or playlist you want to listen to offline. You can use the search bar at the top to type the song title, artist, or album. The results page will show separate tabs for songs, videos, albums, and playlists. Take a moment to pick the exact version you prefer. For example, studio recording instead of a live version, because the download will match what you select. Once you have the track, album, or playlist open, tap or click the three dots menu, then choose Download. On mobile, the three dots usually appear next to the title, while on desktop they appear when you hover over the item. After you select Download, a small download icon or message appears, showing that the files are being saved for offline use. For albums and playlists, you might see each track show a progress circle as it downloads. On a good connection, this starts within a few seconds. After that completes, access your offline music through Library, then Downloads. In the bottom or side navigation, tap or click Library, then choose Downloads from the options. You will see a list of all the songs, albums, and playlists you have saved for offline listening. At this point, you can play them without a network connection, as long as you stay inside the YouTube Music app. A helpful detail is that downloads update automatically if the creator changes the track, so you do not need to repeat the process. Now, about using a USB drive. YouTube Music Premium downloads cannot be directly copied to a USB drive as standard MP3 files. The app keeps these downloads in a protected format, and they only work inside YouTube Music. You also need to reconnect to the internet at least once every 30 days so the app can verify your subscription and keep your downloads active. With that, you have learned how to download music in YouTube Music for offline listening and what that means for using a USB drive. If this helped you get your offline tracks sorted, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear walkthroughs like this.